What we're doing here is we're at the juvenile hall. We're conducting our ROP welding class. So on Monday and Friday, I'm here at the juvenile hall. Tuesdays and Wednesdays, I'm on Merced Valley high schools. And then on Thursday, I'm at Comeback Charter with some adults that are getting their diplomas. I'm trying to get my students college ready. There's a high need for welders right now. And then also welding provides an opportunity for either you can stay local, you can travel the United States. So there's just so many opportunities when it comes to welding.
The welding program is a collaboration between our CTE ROP department and student programs. Fortunately, the student programs was able to use grant money to pay for instruction, and the CTE department was able to pay for equipment. So together we're offering an awesome program for our young people. We have one young man who was able to leave juvenile hall last week, and he is already participating in welding at one of our local Valley schools.
We want to make sure the kids are ready and trained, so when they get out of here, they'll have jobs or at least go to further education.
This mobile welding lab allows us to bring state-of-the-art career technical education to students in the area for some of the most high-demand careers in the area, welding. And we're so proud to have this and give students those opportunities at 3 separate schools. This just gives them a jump start to go directly into a career where they can support their families and make very livable wages.